Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. Let me wait for a few minutes until few of you hop on. I have my things ready for today, so let me pick the gloss alone for a few choices for today. Oh, that's a oops. I need what kind of gloss I can go. Maybe with the color I choose, I can pick something. What color? I think I can go with Madeline or something. Yeah. Let me find a shade that works for it, and let's say the I look first, and then I have a sale. Senegence announced, so that's also I'm going to do. I'm going to announce. So let me first show what I have it for my eye look. My eye look is really simple. I just used two colors. So rustic brown is for my eyebrows. I have used natural tan to color correct, and two of the matte shades I have used. It is denim and onyx. So those are the two shades I have used for today's eye look. I think I have done a I look similar to this, but I think I have used glittery ones once. So if you want to check out, I can link that too. So these two are the ones I used for today's look because I wanted to go with all matte look. And the sale for today is let me show you. Senegence have Lash Sense mascara for everyday use. We do have black, brown with waterproof and non-waterproof. So based on your preference, you can use that. Obviously waterproof will stay longer because as its staying power is more, but we do have colored limited edition Lash Sense. It's similar to our everyday ones, like the non-waterproof or waterproof. They have the Kepixel in them, so which is going to help to condition your lashes, and also it helps to grow the lashes as together. So we do have three shades in that. So we have deep cobalt, which is like a blue mascara. We have regal plum, which is like a purple, dark purple one, and we do have the jade jewel, which is like a cyan one. I should have done that too. So I saw the sale only after I finished my look, so I couldn't do it. Maybe I'll do one separately. So all these are going to be on sale for 15% off for today and tomorrow. So if you are looking to grab one of these, let me know. These are limited editions, so they won't last longer. They will be only for certain time. But our normal mascara, the Lash Sense primer or the mascara, all of them comes in black and black brown too. So these are the choices. I will be posting a separate link for those. Usually they are 25 because these are little smaller than the regular size. Let me show you a comparison. So yeah, you can see this is the actual size, whereas these limited editions are little smaller. So these are like usually $25, and they come for 21 now for today and tomorrow. So these are always from Senegence, so they will have the the date limit or time limit when we can do the sale. And let me show you what I have in mind for my lip look for today. I have whenever I do like a bold eye look, I always prefer to keep my lips really simple. So my choices will be like everyday shades which can doesn't take my the attention from the eyes. So today's concentration was in the eyes. That's how I feel. So I had few choices like these are like perfect everyday shades which you can wear, which are not bold, but at the same time it will be really nice for you. So I have nude pink, nude honey, I have Bella, Bella is all-time favorite. I have Girlfriend, which is again another limited edition, which is like a very subtle shade. And I have Sugar Plum. Sugar Plum is sold out shade from Lipson's. I don't have it anymore. That is another choice. It is like a glittery light pink shade. So those are few, and I have few more here. I had I think Crystal Mauve. If you want to go more pinkish or mauve tint to it, then you have Crystal Mauve, you have Blush, and I have Creamer here. So these are some of my choices. Let me show you what I am going to do. I think I'm picking few shades that I don't use often, so that way I can show. I think nude pink also I will eliminate because I have done quite some time. So it can be either Blush, Girlfriend, or Sugar Plum. Maybe I can do Blush and Sugar Plum. That way it has like a very slight tint to the lips. At the same time it won't be too bold. So let's go ahead and do it. I'm going to clean my lips. If you are hopping on, say hi, and let me know what you guys are doing for Vinayaga Chaturthi. For us, they were keep saying for US it's in the evening, but I am a morning person, and I don't think I want to do today evening, even though it is. I may mostly do tomorrow morning. That's what I am planning to. So what are you guys doing? Are you doing it in the evening? So let's go ahead and do one layer of blush. As I said, blush is going to be really light. It's not going to be bold. And for my accessories for today, I am wearing Shakti's one from her hi-fi. So this is the one I was holding for so long. I think I wore the brass one. I have the similar one in brass. I wore it a little while back, and I have even wore the matching bangles from hers. So finally I got a chance to wear them. I sometimes buy, but it will sleep for a while before I try them. So always make sure you clean the wand very well. That way you need like a very slight tint. I'm going to go with obviously 3 layers. So let's do the first layer. As I said, blush will be really light. This is one of the recent sheer editions, so you will hardly see the color in there. So if you are someone who doesn't like too bold of a shade, then you can pick these kind of shades like a blush, or even Crystal Mauve will have a little bit more tint to it, but it won't be too bold. Maybe I will just do one layer of Crystal Mauve in the middle to show you guys how it makes it a little different from blush. So my first layer is almost done. So what it does is, when you do this kind of first layers, if you have like uneven lip color, then these make as a base tone. So even if you're going with some other shades and you want like a blank canvas, then you can do blush or any of these sheer colors as your first layer. So I'm going to go ahead with Crystal Mauve as my second layer for today. You can see Crystal Mauve is little more mauvish obviously than blush. Blush is even lighter. I will show you the bottles next to each other now. So here you can see this is blush. Blush is very light, whereas Crystal Mauve is little, what is it like? The tubes sometimes may look darker, but this is just one layer of blush with one layer of Crystal Mauve. So I'm going to do one more layer of blush, and I'm going to show you how you can even wear the fourth layer. When the color is so sheer, you are not going to get any thick layers at all, so it gives you a freedom of doing even 4 layers. So today I'm going to do that. So let me do my third layer of blush before I go ahead with my Sugar Plum. You can use a disposable one too if you don't want the colors to be mixed. Here the color shades are more or less the same, and I know it's dried, so I'm using the same LipSense wand itself. But if you are not sure and if you want if you are using colors like very bright ones like red or like a purple, then make sure you use a disposable wand if you don't want the colors to get mixed. So that's all it is. So it's going to be one layer of blush and one layer of Crystal Mauve, and I did a third layer of blush again. So I'm going to go ahead with my another layer of Sugar Plum, just to give a glitter to it, and then let's seal it with like any pink gloss. Let's pick a pink gloss on to go on top of it to seal the color after this. So I will do Sugar Plum after this, and let's seal it in. Today it's really dark. I mean, the whole week it was raining in the evening. Since the school started, we moved our walking to the evening, so one day we completely got drenched, like, I mean but it was good to walk, but I know with the shoes and everything it was little uncomfortable, but it's so fun to walk in the rain after so long. I think I may need yeah, I'm going to go ahead with Sugar Plum. Sugar Plum is such a pretty sheer shade again. It has glitters to it. So any shade, any LipSense color to wear under Sugar Plum makes it really pretty. Do you see it? It adds like a tiny glitters to the color. I wish they bring it back. It was unfortunately a sold out shade from the Winter Wonderland collection. I think even now you can buy, but only thing is you need to buy as a collection to get this shade. But all the colors in this collection was really good. Like it had Currant, which is my all-time top seller. It had Candy Cane, which is the red, and it came with Sugar Plum. I think it had the Oops Remover Free, if I'm not wrong. So that's the shade it came with, and but it is sold out as an individual color. Like you cannot buy it individually anymore. I don't have it too. So let's pick a gloss to go on top of it. I can do like a very light pink ones. Let's do maybe watermelon, or you can even do pink strawberry, pink matte. I think even cherry blossom will look good on top of this. Let's do cherry blossom or here. So I had cherry blossom on top, or I had watermelon. So watermelon will be like it's not a matte gloss, I would say. It doesn't have shimmer. It's still going to have like a glossy finish, but it doesn't have any shimmer to it, whereas cherry blossom has obviously like some glitter to it. So let me do cherry blossom first to show you. Yeah, this looks really nice. Like, I mean, that's the fun with LipSense. Pretty much change the color itself by just making it as a different gloss. So instead of this, if I'm wearing a gloss like a grape gloss, it's going to turn completely into a different one. But with the same color, just by adding a gloss, you are going to make it like a different look each time. At the same time, you can use these glosses when it's a pigmented glosses. You can use it as it is, like you don't need to have a lip sense color. Only lip sense needs a gloss, but whereas the gloss doesn't need a lip sense to go with it. So if you are grabbing individual glosses anytime, you can just top them off. And if you have what is it, like teens or girls at home, they will also love the glosses, these fun glosses, because it's easy to wear and it's like acts as a lip balm. It's not going to be heavy, and you don't have to remove it with a oops remover or anything. So by just getting a gloss, you can make them wear too, but at the same time it's just like a balm for the days you don't want lip sense to go with it. So that's the color I'm wearing. So I did one blush, one crystal mauve, one blush again, and then I topped it with sugar plum, and then I did cherry blossom gloss to go on top of it. So that's the look. Hope you have enjoyed it. And for today's bronze, I have used the pearlizer set, the mini pearlizer set. I have used it, the amber as my contour shade, and firefly as my blush, and I have used the I think the other one is called Moonstone Shimmer. I have used it in my inner corner, so, and also on my brow bone, so you can see the highlight it gives. So I have used all three shades for today's look. Hope you enjoy your weekend. Stay safe and have a wonderful weekend.